Have you ever wondered why the things we tolerate with our best friend, we never accept them with our romantic partner, especially after the attraction phase period? As I was talking with some of my female friends, I asked them, why is it that we are having a lot of divorce and separation these days very easily? And some of their response were, well, I think now there's a lot of choice for both gender. You can easily go to social media or go to this love app, Tinder and the rest. You can choose this person, you change, you choose the other one. There's a lot of choice, Musa. And also more and more women are getting educated and financially independent. Maybe these are some of the reasons why there's a lot of divorce and separation. What do you think, Musa? And I said to them, for me, I think if your romantic relationship is strongly based on love, then that relationship is already fragile, can be easily broken. Because the kind of love we are practicing these days goes with a lot of attachment. I will explain this with a simple metaphor. If you have a Coca-Cola, once you dilute it with water, it loses its taste and feelings, right? The same goes to love. Once you dilute love with conditions, which we are practicing, conditional love, that relationship, it's already weak and fragile. It can be easily broken. And one of them asked me, wait, Musa, you mean we are not in love with our partner or we don't love at all? I said, no, I didn't say that. But the honest question we should be asking ourselves is, are we in love with our partner or we are in love with what they can offer into the relationship? That is the question we should be asking ourselves. I said, listen, if you ask a mother, why do you like your child? She will be surprised by that question. She will think it's a foolish question. And her response will be in one sentence. Because it's my child. There will be no description because no, he or she is beautiful or she listens to me or she's doing well in school. No, because it's my child. Finish. No conditions. But if your love is strongly based on friendship, it gives you two auxiliary to a sustainable relationship. You ready? The first one, it gives you flexibility. You are not rigid with the rules. You understand their flaws, their mistakes. Understanding doesn't mean you are okay with what they are doing or they are doing the right thing. Instead, you let them. They said a tree that doesn't bend is broken by the wind. Flexibility is very important in any relationship, and friendship can give you that. The second one is acceptance. We don't expect people to behave or act the way we wanted them. Instead, accept their good side and help them gain the awareness to improve on their bad side. Relationship is partnership. You help each other to grow. Coming from Africa, I will tell you the most disorganized place is the forest. Because you see the branch falling there, trees falling there, water settling, mosquito, flies. But guess what? Because the people accept the good side of the forest, they don't focus on these little things in the forest, people get peace when they go there. People feel calm when they go to the forest. Acceptance is very, very important in any relationship, and friendship can give you that. Look, don't compare your relationship to others. Because what works for them might not work for you. At the end of the day, do the things that work for your relationship. There is no one size fits all. And this is the biggest mistake we are making always. Because of what we see on social media or we watch Hollywood or Disney film, we believe that is the way love should be. We should sleep together like this throughout the night. We should always open the door for them. We should always put them on our profile picture. We should never forget their birthday, or else you don't love them. You should always post them on social media. All this kind of thing. It's not true. At the end of the day, both of you design your relationship. Design the way you want your relationship to be. As long as both of you are happy, that is it. There is no fixed or right recipe for love. And I will tell you this, don't look for the perfect partner, because it doesn't exist. Instead, look for that partner that is compatible, not just with you, but with the relationship. Love is a project. I mean, it's a very big project. Anyways, thanks for listening.